Hi guys, we have a good weather today, thanks God. Our content for today guys is about my hobbies and daily routine. Today is my schedule for cleaning of my fish tank. Show you guys one of my favorite. Her name is Pochi. He is my stress reliever every time. Have a good evening guys. It's already 10:30 p.m. This is my evening routine of my pets. To those who don't know me, I'm a fish lover. Now you know. Joke. First things I do is feed them, and if I have extra time, I change water. And these are my other fishes like koi and goldfish.